on-page SEO tactics which works for 2019 and beyond. It will work and it is an updated one. So it works for me. The same thing will works for you, this kind of strategies, if you applicable in your projects. Any domain, any category, any service, any page, any website. Try this. This is the technical on-page SEO which works very well into your projects. Just check it out. See. Now technically on page, how can I can make my website more stronger? Let us have a look over this. Like our keyword should be in the, whether we have placed in top level domain. Either our keyword is in the first word of your domain, and domain registration length, and domain age, and usability of your mobile usability of your website, and responsive design. Like it should be compatible for desktop, either laptop, and it should be more compatible for the tabs and the mobiles. So these are the major factors which impacts your SEO rankings, and one of the major tactics is usage of canonical tags. Why do I use canonical tags? To make sure or represent the crawler or the search engine to rank. This is the master copy of the page, and I'll let you know how the canonical tag will look at the back end of the source code. Just check this. Link real equal to double quotes a canonical, href equal to double quote, which represents the exact page URL. This is how if we add at the back end of the source code, then Google crawler will detect this is the master copy. This tends to rank well in the search results. And one of the major thing, if you want to target international countries like language tag, so you want to show your website for Arabic people, those Middle East countries. You want to show your website for French people, French countries. So he can't able to read in English. So for the crawler, we have to suggest that this is the tag which represent for that particular language. So this is the example which helps you to work on. Try to implement this kind of tag, like link real equal to alternate, which ends with double quotes, and href towards that page, and href lang equal to that country language specification, which ends with double quotes. And one of the major technical on-page SEO is implementing schema code, like microdata, JSON LD. These are the code which we can find schema, like breadcrumbs, products review schema, site link search box, and social profiles, corporate content, social like logo, local business, article, job posting, occupation. These are all the schemas has been implemented.